Hey guys, Town here, and today I'm going to be doing a video about gun challenge and about zombies. I haven't been posting any videos in a while because I've been working on my other channel called TC Facts Officials, and I just want to tell you guys this. Listen, my channel has almost gotten to the year milestone, and I've gotten 30 subscribers in a year. I just want to thank you guys that so much. I can do better. Just haven't done a lot of videos on this channel that much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. And this is for zombies, okay? Black Ops 2. SMGs. Shotguns. sniper rifles. Pistols. And also, guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here. Just have a little thing to say. I'm sorry I didn't say this at like the beginning of the video, but there is a couple of other weapons that do sound exactly the same. So basically, there is like the Dragunov. I don't know why I put the Dragunov in there. I just put it in there so I can like confuse you guys. But the Dragunov really isn't a real Black Ops 2 weapon, but there is also Black Ops 1 weapons in there because of zombies. Just to let you guys know, okay? And it's still pistols. LMGs. Missiles. That is it for the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. And I'm very, very, very sorry. There is a couple of weapons that do sound exactly the same. So in the pistols, you did hear 2 weapons, and that one was actually the M1911. So the M1911 for the pistols is not going to be included. Dragunov is not going to be included. The Barrett's not going to be included. And I believe that's actually it. And there is a lot of sounds that are the same exact thing, like the reloading. So I'm very sorry for that, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.